So if you've been using your speakerphone to make all your conference calls and your videos and you're ready to upgrade, then you might want to look at this. So as you can tell, that audio sounded really bad. What I'm going to do in this review is wear a different brand for just a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this microphone on and we're going to test it out. I'm also going to go ahead and go over all these features. We're going to head outside and show you how the audio sounds too at a distance. So this unit does have two different microphones. We also got a receiver, and then we also have a power cord, and then we also have our lavalier windscreens. So this is a 3-in-1 microphone. This part right here is actually going to be your receiver, and it does connect to your phone. So on one end we do have a lightning connector. We've got a Type-C, and we can also connect that to a camera. On the bottom side, this is our charging port, and we also have a headphone port, 3.5 millimeters. On the back side, we do have our power button right here. When you first turn it on, what it's trying to do is connect to the two microphones, so it's going to blink. What we're going to do is take our microphone, right up here, that top button is your power button. Right now it's showing that it's connecting, and that light right there has quit blinking, so that one is connected. This other one is trying to connect to this second microphone. Now we also have some other status indicators, including your battery life, the strength indicator for your microphones, and also your camera function. So on our microphone, we do have several options here. On this side, we do have a headphone port, our charging port. Of course, we've got our clip here on the back side. We've got our microphone right here on the top. And then on the side here, we've got 3 buttons. One is a mode button, also a power button, and these 2 bottom buttons are to change the volume level. On the front of the microphone, we have several indicators also. We've got a battery indicator, that's connectivity, and then we've got 3 different things right here. One is actually noise cancellation, reverb, and we can also do a mute. So now I have this microphone hooked up to my camera, and you can hear that it sounds really nice and clear. One thing I liked about this is it does have the option for the reverb, and the way that you would do that is you're going to take that top button, which is a mode button. We're going to press it 3 times. You're going to see that center right there, it lit up, and now you're hearing reverb. It sounds a little bit different, doesn't it? Now each microphone does have a runtime of right around 9 hours, and it takes about 1.5 hours to charge. So right now what I'm doing is testing out the distance on this. It does have a distance of 328 feet. So if you're going to be doing any shooting or talking outside, you're definitely not going to be able to use your speaker and microphone for your camera. Now it is kind of windy out here, and so I am using my windscreen right here, and you can't even hear it. It works out fantastic. So this is a really good microphone. It sounds great indoors, outdoors, or even at a distance. Hope you found this review helpful.